Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stockers and Ninja Pro Traders. It's Friday, June the 23rd. It's about 6:38, looks like Central Standard Time. Let's get started by just taking a quick look at move from yesterday. You can see yesterday we hit this low at 24.28 early in the morning, 4:30 Central Time. Came up right back to the open, consolidated, and we had this good move just after the open and went all the way up to 39, the overnight high for yesterday, and we just gave it all right back to the open by the end of the day. And of course, last night, let's just take a look here. We'll give ourselves some room to breathe. All right. See, we opened up here right just below yesterday's open, settled there at 31.25, and then we went up right into the high last night at 36.75 and right back down. We're currently at around 24, or excuse me, overnight low at 24.30. And we've pushed our way right back up to 32.25, right above this open. So you can see there's going to be some more consolidation in this area, especially before the open. Again, being Friday, summers, uh, the volume could be high because of the Russell today, but so beware of that. Could be the highest volume in the year. Being Friday, and just lots of things going on could just drive this market and really make it volatile today. But since we're back above this open, let's go to the upside first. From here, we want to look at probably up to the 34 area, come back and retest, and this will be our consolidation area until 7:30 news central or market open. All right. We'd like to see this come up into here. If we're going to go to the upside with the bulls, hit this bottom of the zone at 33.75, pull back just a little bit here, probably somewhere around 32.75, and hopefully clear the 24-hour VWAP when you get a bounce above it. Look for that retest uh, back to it. So we're going to go above the VWAP, back and retest to it, and then we're going to head straight up to the overnight high of 36.75. Now here's where we're going to be some more consolidation, and we got to be real careful. For anywhere from 35.75 to yesterday's high of 39, about 4 point area, real strong area consolidation. 40 is going to be a real tough area to clear. Uh, and then we look into the next zones, you can see once we get above this 42 area on this chart today, we're looking all the way to 46, okay? 6, 7 points between these zones between tops and bottoms. So be real careful of that. I would assume even with a lot of volume today, this be the highest we could go. However, we do have those up there in that 50, 51, 52 area for all-time highs again, all right? Now to the downside, if this keeps up and we just come up retest this 24 VWAP after probably somewhere after the open, come right back down, test the low here, 28. This could be the bottom for it to accelerate right back up into this consolidation area. So be real careful. Okay, we first have to get through this open at 31 again. So be cautious of that. However, if we come down to this area, boost off of this, look for the retest of the open, obviously at 31.25, and then if it fails, look for it to come all the way down into this next zone down here, 26.24. Come back for the retest, maybe some consolidation, and then right back down. Okay, right back down to this 24, 22, 20 in this area. Now let's bring this back into play here. Let's close this up. Come on, charts. There we go. Now you can see that's going to be real strong support, but if it fails it, we're going to be looking all the way down into here, get the bounce, retest, look at the 24/16s today, possibly if the bears really step in, 24/16, 24/14 to 12, and then of course you know the rest of the story. So let's for just a minute get this back here, and let's go look at market profile for numbers for today. Get this out of the way. There we go. All right, daily chart. You can see what we've done this week. We double topped right up here, pulled right back down, right down to this 30 area. You can see pulled down a little bit, 27, but really stopped right here at this 29 area. That's been our volume key area. And then we've just consolidated most of the week in this 20, 36 area. So 29 to 36, 37, and we're on a downward type trend. We've got to hold this area. If we don't, then we are definitely going to head down to this 25 will be the next key number to remember on the daily chart. Failing 25 is the 15, okay? That's the numbers to remember here today. The downside 29, 25, 15, and then of course 2400 on the daily chart. Of course, moving up 39, and then this key number here at 43, 42, 43, that's where it stopped before. And then we're up here at 48 to 51 area. All right. I don't think we're going to go any higher than that, but we got to be real cautious about it. All right. Now let's look at the, oops, right in the wrong chart. Sorry about that. It's over here. Let me grab this for us. All right. On the 235, almost a 4-hour chart here, you can see this is where we've been. Gives a real clear picture on this 4 hours. Okay, we're right back down here at the bottom of this, playing off of this 29 area. That's why I keep saying 29 a little bit clearer here. So this is where we're going to consolidate 29 to 36. Be aware of that. We might punch up to the 40 area again today, but I just can't see us going through it unless something really happens. But this 39.40 is reachable today. Pullbacks, we're going to consolidate today more than likely between these two numbers. All right. However, if we break down 22 on this chart, 14, don't expect any lower, but of course we do have the full 7. Going to the upside, we talked about the 40. There we have the 42s. Then we're right back up here to this 51 area, okay? So be aware of that. We got a zone drawn up in here. So be aware of these highs and lows today. This is the main chart to look at for us today. And if you have any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com and have a great day.